Hey, hello everybody. It's Anthony here. So, representing the mini market here at the space, the community space. So today, I'm here with promoting Kangen water. Yeah, Kangen is a Japanese word. If you never heard of it, it means return to the origin. So this is the ionizer. This technology makes 5 healthy waters that can improve the quality of our health and well-being. 1 is good for the body, 2 is good for the environment, and 3 is good for the home. You know, so which means that you can eradicate some harmful chemicals in your home. Basically make your home green. Yeah, what it does is got a filter when the water goes through the filter and get rid of all the impurities that you don't see on your tap water. Yeah, after that goes to saving the tiny plate. And the machine talks. Yeah, the machine talks. This one speaks 8 languages. You can change the setting. It makes water for you to wash your fruits and vegetables, water for you to take care for drink your medication and cook your baby meal. So what we have here, we just done a few tests on bottled water. Maybe you are a bottled water consumer. Yeah, so we just test the alkalinity. You know, everything that you can see yellow-ish is acidic according to KSI. Everything that you see purple is alkaline. So according to the studies that alkaline in your body equals good health and acid in your body equals poor health. So we are here today to help educate. And then if you think you want more information, you can reach out to me on 075-137-81212 so that we can help you and we do a home visit to educate you and give you a test ride on the water. So we have a few samples of Kangen water for people to try today. That's what we have. So, yeah. If you want any question, you want to know more, I'm here to help. I'm in the Stockport and I'll go around the country to help people, educate them about this machine, how they can have access. You know, so.
Welcome to our cultural event today. This is our Town of Culture event here in Stockport, hosted by Stockport Race Equality Partnership and their partners. We've got Sianda Trust in the room. We've got Miayuk Wong. We've got Angola United Association Stockport. We've got so many YACO and so many other organizations, really. Oh, all things African in the back there. We really just want to celebrate the beauty of Stockport's diversity, where we're encouraging everybody to come together and celebrate with us. We've got some African cuisine. We've got arts and crafts, Chinese arts and crafts. We've got all things African that sells all kinds of jewelry of African type. We've got fresh made ginger and so forth and so on. So we are here and celebrating Stockport, our community. So we welcome you guys to come and join us. And if you're not here today, we do so many other events. Look out for us and we come and celebrate together.
Yeah, today is about International Women's Day, you know. So just coming out to celebrate ourselves, the powerful women we have in Stockport, you know. We are always here to empower one another, not only in terms of food, but you know, the basic knowledge we need in this country, you know, because the way they do things is quite different from the African setup, especially the terms of English, you understand. So we are always here to give support to the people that needed them, you know.
My business name is All Things African. So I'm here to support a culture event. What I'm doing is to promote and support these talented African artists in Africa. So this work you see here is done with different artists in Africa, Tanzania, Kenya and South Africa. So our aim, our passion is about supporting them. So All Things African. So if you want to see some of our products, you can find us on our Facebook page, Hamid Mbaga, our website, allthingsafrican.co.uk. Once again, I finish off by saying our aim, our passion is to support and promote talented African artists in Africa to earn living through this unique work they produce. Thank you for the time.
I love Africa, everything to do with Africa, and I've been an African dancer for 30 years myself. And we went to an event the other day, the Kings and Queens, Queens versus Kings. Queens won, even though they had a child doing breakdancing. We still won. Fantastic night. I met the Queen of Tanzania. It's wonderful.
So please, it's honestly, that stall is so fascinating. It just makes you see what you put in your stomach, and it's not nice, but it's lovely to see. And then we've got the lovely May Yuk Wong, an artist in her own right. She's got this beautiful exhibition that she does, and today she's doing arts and crafts for the children. And so please, well, for everybody, so please take some time out with her. And we've got no other than Mama Africa herself. Yay! Please come in, please come in, please. And she's got a beautiful stall, and her stall is quite another fascinating stall that really helps inventors from Africa. So please check her out. We've got Lisa, who's going to do a little bit of a fashion show. You're not going to get your head tied still, pal. And then we've got Soraya in that room that's going to do some beauty treatment. No. Yeah, you're going to do. And then we've got us that we're raising funds for the organization here, selling stuff at a very cheap price. So please do embrace us, embrace the time, learn a lot, let's share and learn, let's have dance, fun. We're going to have some drumming as well in a moment, so please do feel welcome and feel encouraged. Last but not least, we've got some fantastic food here, if people would like to try the food. And yeah, that's it really. So Mr. Nico, please.
Hi, I'm Soraya. I'm an ambassador for Tropic Skincare, which is a natural, organic skincare brand. You won't find us in the shops. It's only sold through ambassadors, and we are supported to grow our own beauty and well-being businesses by the company. The ingredients are absolutely beautiful, really full of aromatherapy oils, absolutely no chemicals. And what I like to do is I do workshops in community organisations like Stockport Race Equality Partnership, and also one-to-one work with people who want to gain skin confidence and work on their well-being through taking care of their skin, feeling better, looking better, and also doing something for the planet, because all of our packaging, our whole entire production is zero carbon, double offsetting carbon in fact. So we really take care of the planet as well as taking care of ourselves, and for that we've won lots of awards. So I'm very proud to be involved with this brand, and I'm also really proud to be a lead at Stockport Race Equality Partnership. Having a great day.
Thank you.